Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are starting topic 16.6 water management. You have read in class 6 that in many places a regular supply of water is provided by a well planned pipe system. When the civic authorities supply water through pipes, not all of it may reach the destination. You might have seen water supply pipes leaking and lot of water gushing out of the pipes. It is the responsibility of the civic authorities to prevent such wastage of precious water. So, it is provided by a well planned pipe system, and then we have the civic authorities which supply water through pipes, and not all of it may reach the destination. So, we might have seen water supply pipes leaking and lot of water gushing, and then it is the responsibility of them to prevent such wastage of precious water. Mismanagement or wastage may take place at the level of individuals also. All of us knowingly or unknowingly waste water while brushing teeth, shaving, bathing, washing, and during many other activities. Leaking taps is another source of huge water wastage. We waste water as though we do not need water the next time. So, mismanagement or wastage may takes place at the level of individuals also. So, when we know or we don't know that, and then also we have the wastage of water when we brush teeth or do shaving, bathing, washing, and during many other activities. So leaking taps is also another source of huge water wastage. So now we have seen that most of the water that we get as rainfall just flows away. This is a waste of precious natural resource. The rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. This is referred to as rainwater as water harvesting or rainwater harvesting, about which you have learned in class 6. So when we have most of the water that we get as rainfall just flows away, and this is a waste of precious natural resource. So the rainwater can be used to recharge groundwater. So this is known as water harvesting and also rainwater harvesting. So you should know the definition of this, that is what is rainwater harvesting. Then we have find out if the buildings in your neighborhood have water harvesting systems installed. We have at many places in India an age old practice of water storage and water recharge, like the Bowry was the traditional way of collecting water. With time, the Bowries fell into disuse and garbage started filling in these reservoirs. However, because of the acute water shortage, people in these areas have had to rethink. The bodies are being revived. Today, the situation is that in spite of scanty rains, these places are managing their water needs well. A farmer using water in the field can also use water economically. Maybe you have heard of drip irrigation, that is shown in figure 16.9. Drip irrigation is a technique of watering plants by making use of narrow tubings which deliver water directly at the base of the plant. So there is a system that is called Bowries. That is, Bowries was a traditional way of collecting water, and then with the time the Bowries fell into disuse, and then we have the garbage started filling in these reservoirs. Then, in spite of this, because of the acute water shortage, people in these areas have had to rethink, and then a farmer using water in field can also use water economically. You have heard the type of drip irrigation. That is, drip irrigation is a technique of watering plants by making use of narrow tubings. So it's very useful for the irrigation properties. So now we have done this topic. Now we will discuss the next topic in the next video.